What we're going to be covering off today is a lot of information around how to basically keep your data safe and what risks are out there at the moment.
And what's interesting is it comes from a +63 area code, which is, I think, Philippines. And it has a link in it, which is not accurate, Illinois dash dot whatever. And this is an excellent example of how social engineering has gotten at scale, right? They're trying to figure out every possible way for you to pay attention. And if in the spur of the moment, you just click that link, who knows what happens, right? Maybe they download some sort of a malware on your computer or on your phone. Maybe they take you through this process, and a lot of people unwittingly just end up getting ensnared in things like these.
What happened with the Signal Gate in the US recently, where a reporter was added into a top secret Signal group, and that was accidental data leakage.
But the exposure is that we have data, which is mission critical, running in a mission critical app. And that's what makes this so attractive for bad guys all over the world. So a lot of new sophisticated kind of threats are emerging. And a part of it is that AI has made it so cheap to do these things at scale, right? You can impersonate someone's voice. Just literally this recording is probably enough for somebody to take and then start impersonating my voice or Doug's voice and then use it in different settings.
There's a lot of press around people using deepfake AI to actually do impersonations of senior people in companies or even recruiters, and getting developers to click a link to actually install a fix for a non-existent audio problem. The CEO is not going to be calling them to give the information out to somebody else. So just make people aware that things that you may not have thought possible, like your boss being actually an AI agent, are actually definitely the case today. All of their employees were basically system admins, and they had 190 of these system admin users, which is completely not right, because if you're giving people system admin rights, you're basically breaking the rules all over the place, giving people way too much access. Classifying and categorizing your data is key.
If you can reduce the amount of information you have to safeguard, your risks automatically go down.
Make sure your data is minimized access inside your company, so keep your data safe that way. Make sure you employ things like API access control, which are free, which will help you stop bad actors attaching apps to your Salesforce org.
I know data security, particularly for Salesforce, is a super important area, specifically for financial services, insurance, and other regulated sector customers.